that, shout out to the people doing that content. Hell, they just gonna recommend whatever they gonna recommend, apparently. Anyways, so y'all already know before we do run away from the computer. Shout out to that W link. Y'all sign up and get y'all a W affiliate program going on. I don't need y'all to buy nothing from W. I need y'all to work with W. Okay, shout out to that. You see what I'm saying? Shout out to that. Just sign up and start selling W. That way, y'all got y'all upcoming sponsor because y'all get put into the actual affiliate program after you make one purchase. Then you've met your requirements to be sponsored after that. So it's a quick and easy program for y'all to catch y'all some easy sponsoring for the content creators. Now, for the people that actually like W Energy Drink, yeah, get on over there because you see they got them lit flavors. Right now, they was working with the solo leveling promotion, but then here's their regular ones. Okay, but Dad, you're gonna have to wait because I'm still busy. I resume. Anyways, I don't mind helping Pops, but he don't have to wait because I'm still going in. You dig? And then they always want something at the end of the videos before I was finna do something else. Now I gotta click another video and run the hell upstairs. Nah. They can just wait. Hell, hell, Mom will have to help his ass. Y'all old people gonna have to do some work today because I'm still alive. Hell, they fucking on my video. Anyways, we was done with the videos. Finito, I was telling y'all about this Dubby because y'all know how y'all are with Dubby. Y'all want to get y'all some video sponsors. Hell, that's the best way to get more sponsorships is to already have one or two, and then y'all can show references. Okay, I give y'all a quick, easy reference. You did put this on your repertoire for. I already got video sponsors. I've had video sponsors since my first month on YouTube. Hey, let me sponsor a couple videos. I got you. Shit, what you want to get reviewed and shit like that though. Boom, 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 boom. Because you know, just because you send me shit don't mean I'm gonna review all of it either. You dig? It's a sponsorship. You ain't actually put in on this, Smokey. But you know how it be. And then y'all, of course, y'all know to go check out that Rumble link. I keep dropping it, but it is down in the description also. So definitely watch the content over on the Rumble side if you actually enjoy the content. For the people that's on YouTube and you just want to network, that's why we on YouTube just to network. You dig? You gotta pay that fee, man. You gotta pay that fee. We got the Rumble for the people that actually like the videos. Y'all can go watch them on Rumble. Y'all enjoy the video quality over there because you get all the good videos, and then you actually get to see me on screen versus me flipping and flopping, flippity flop, floppity flip. You see what I'm saying? That's why that guy on Spider Pig shut the fuck up after he went in and looked at videos. He was like, "Man, this short is kind of whack." Of course, it was kind of whack. I give no fucks about shorts, and the people who know me and my production quality already know why I say that. Hell, I make fucking lives and put in work on videos. You dig? I be stealing shit for real, for real. If you want to see me stealing something, watch me steal something good when I'm stealing it great. You dig? Yeah, I had to tell him, man, it's a whole process behind this shit. But anyways, let's go into tent two. Because these plants is looking at me. Let's see, what time is it? It's only 7:30. I still got 30 minutes until that one come back. Till that one come back. But we gonna show y'all tent one tonight. This is why we have a longer show today, because I wanted to definitely make sure y'all saw everything with the lights on. Shout out to getting them lights on. That look kind of light in the ass, so I'm gonna hit it with some CalMag tonight. Yeah, that's about all you need. Go back green, CalMag, military grade. For those who don't know, you should. Anyways, here's 10-2. Like we said, we got our big homie Bear Miller. Shouts out to Big Brother Bear, Triple B Farms, over on Triple B Farms channel. You dig? He hit us up with that Son of Odin Seed Company sponsored grow for our Homework 2025 project. You dig? He said, "Hey, I'm gonna send you all genetics. I got you the photo periods because he knows I'm a photo grower." And then he's like, "But I got all autos for you. You dig? All autos. I want you to run the autos." He was like, "I know you don't like autos, but I want you to run the autos." Which I can't be mad at him